Hello everyone. Do you ever feel like you're moving through your day in slow motion? It's like your get up and go just got up and went. You wake up, you have your coffee, but your energy is already packing its bags. You are not alone in this feeling. So many of us are walking around feeling completely drained, like a phone battery that never gets past 10%. We blame our busy schedules, our kids, our jobs. But what if the real reason you're so tired is a secret your body is trying to tell you? What if there's a hidden health cause that's stealing your spark? Today, we are going to play detective with our own health. We will uncover 7 surprising reasons you might be feeling so exhausted all the time. This isn't about blaming yourself, this is about empowerment. It's about finding the clues that lead to more energy, more life, and more joy. Imagine waking up feeling refreshed, excited for the day, and having the power to do all the things you love. It is absolutely possible. First up, let's talk about something so simple we often forget it. Water. Are you drinking enough? Being even a little bit dehydrated can make you feel sleepy and foggy. Think about it. Your body is mostly water. When you don't drink enough, your blood gets thicker and your heart has to work much harder to pump it around your body. The solution here is wonderfully simple. Drink more water. Just keep a water bottle with you all day and take small sips. Try adding some flavor. A slice of lemon, a few berries, or a sprig of mint can turn plain water into a delicious treat. It's a small change with a big reward. Next, let's look at a sneaky energy thief, your blood sugar. Have you ever eaten a big sugary donut and felt a rush of energy, only to crash an hour later? That's the blood sugar roller coaster. When you eat a lot of sugar, your blood sugar spikes way up, then crashes down, making you feel weak and desperate for a nap. To get off this roller coaster, choose foods with protein, healthy fats, and fiber. These foods release energy slowly and steadily, keeping your energy consistent all day long. Now let's dig deeper into your body's control center. Have you ever heard of your thyroid? It's a small, butterfly-shaped gland in your neck, but it has a huge job. It controls your metabolism. If your thyroid is underactive, it doesn't make enough thyroid hormone. This slows everything down. It's like your body's engine is stuck in first gear. If you suspect your thyroid might be the culprit, talk to your doctor. They can do a simple blood test, and if your thyroid is low, it's very treatable with the right medication. Another hidden cause of fatigue is a lack of important vitamins and minerals. 2 of the biggest offenders are iron and vitamin B12. Iron is essential for making hemoglobin, which carries oxygen around your body. When you're low in iron, your cells don't get enough oxygen. It's like trying to breathe with not enough air. Vitamin B12 is crucial for making red blood cells and keeping your nerves healthy. A deficiency can cause deep fatigue and brain fog. The best way to know if you're low is a simple blood test from your doctor. You might think you're getting a full 8 hours of sleep, but are you getting quality sleep? One major sleep saboteur is sleep apnea, when you stop breathing for short periods throughout the night. Your brain senses the lack of oxygen and wakes you up just enough to start breathing again. This can happen hundreds of times a night, but you won't remember it. If your partner says you snore loudly or gasp for air, don't ignore it. Sleep apnea is serious but treatable. Many people find amazing relief with a CPAP machine. Another sleep issue involves your body's internal clock. Looking at bright screens from phones, tablets, or TV late at night tricks your brain into thinking it's still daytime. The blue light from screens can stop your body from producing melatonin, the hormone that helps you fall asleep. Create a relaxing bedtime routine. Turn off screens an hour before bed and try to go to sleep and wake up at the same time every day. It's simple kindness for your body that pays off with more daytime energy. Last but not least, let's talk about your gut. Your digestive system is home to trillions of tiny bacteria called your microbiome, and it plays a huge role in your energy levels. A healthy gut has a good balance of good and bad bacteria. When the balance is off, it can cause poor digestion and inflammation, making you feel tired and sluggish. Support your gut by eating more fiber-rich foods, fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and legumes. These are prebiotics, the food for your good gut bugs. You can also eat foods with live good bacteria called probiotics, like yogurt with live cultures, kefir, sauerkraut, and kimchi. A happy gut is a powerful ally in your fight against fatigue. Your health journey is a story of hope. Feeling tired all the time is not your destiny. It's a signal, a starting point for investigating your well-being. By looking at these hidden causes, from dehydration and blood sugar to your thyroid and your gut, you can start making small, powerful changes. Be curious, be kind to yourself, and remember that you have the power to reclaim your energy. Talk to your doctor, Try one new healthy habit and look at your health with optimism. A more vibrant, energetic you is just around the corner, ready to embrace the day.